about subtraction of polynomials. And the objectives are identify the minuend, subtrahend, and the additive inverse of the subtrahend. Then subtracting polynomials using horizontal and vertical method. Before that, let's have this activity. You will identify the minuend, the subtrahend, and the additive inverse of the subtrahend. In this given, what do you think is the minuend? Correct. It's 3x plus 7. What about the subtrahend? Correct. 2x minus 1. What about the additive inverse of the subtrahend? That's correct. It's negative 2x plus 1 since the subtrahend is positive 2x minus 1. So we will take the reverse sign of the subtrahend. Number 2. What is the minuend? That's correct. 6a squared minus a plus 2. What about the subtrahend? It's 3a plus 1. That's correct. What about the additive inverse? This is negative 3a minus 1. Example number 3. The minuend is 7x minus 6y. And the subtrahend is 2x minus y. Now, the additive inverse is negative 2x plus y. That's right. Now, this time, we will subtract polynomials horizontally. In this example, subtract 14x plus 8y and 23x plus 2y. So, there are steps in subtracting polynomials. First is to identify the similar terms. In this polynomial, the similar terms are 14x and 23x and 8y and 2y. Step 2 is identify the minuend and the subtrahend. So, the minuend is 14x plus 8y and the subtrahend is 23x plus 2y. The additive inverse of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So this is the additive inverse of our subtrahend. Step 4 is to add horizontally the additive inverse of the subtrahend to the minuend by grouping similar terms. So we will group the similar terms, 14x plus negative 23x. And 8y plus negative 2y. And then add them together. We have 14x plus negative 23x is negative 9x. And 8y plus negative 2y is positive 6y. So this is the answer. Subtracting polynomials vertically. The same example, we have 14x plus 8y and 23x plus 2y. So we have the same steps in subtracting polynomials via horizontal or vertical method. First is to identify the similar terms. These are the similar terms of this polynomial. Then identify the minuend and the subtrahend of the given. So that is the minuend and the subtrahend. 3 is to get the additive inverse of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So this is the additive inverse of the subtrahend. Then 4, align the similar terms vertically. So you have to align them vertically. Then add 14x plus negative 23x. The answer is 9x. And 8y plus negative 2y, the answer is 6y. Therefore, the answer is the same, negative 9x plus 6y in our horizontal method. Okay, now it's your turn to solve polynomials using horizontal and vertical methods. So subtract horizontally 7x minus 8 minus 2x plus 4. You may pause the video to answer this given. The correct answer is, okay, it's 5x minus 12. That's right. I hope that you learned something from this segment, and thank you for listening. Happy learning. And you may proceed to the next segment for the multiplication of polynomials.